My name is Summer and I love crafts. I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate covered pretzels. They're so delicious you can make them for yourself or your friends and family. The ingredients you need is long pretzels, you need sprinkles, whatever melted chocolate you want to dip the long pretzels in, and you need something to melt your chocolate. So, get all your ingredients and come on, let's go and make them. Now we have all our ingredients in place, we're gonna start dipping the pretzel. You have to be very careful and have always an adult to melt the chocolate because it's hot. You're going to take your pretzel, you're going to twist it around in there, shake the excess off, put it on there. So my other pretzels are done, and we're gonna do the same thing but with white chocolate. Pour on the sprinkles. You can see I finished half of the pretzels with sprinkles. For more decoration, we're gonna put this purple melted chocolate. My mom's gonna melt it, and then we're gonna carefully put zigzags on them. I made these jars to put all my pretzels in. Comment down below if you want to see a video how I made these. Bye guys, I hope you like my video. Until next time, my creative friends. I'm gonna go subscribe right now.